Hello, welcome back my little artists. Today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful and simple elephant. So come, let's get started. First, we are going to make a shape of a elephant face. Like this, very slowly, making a line and a little curve of a trunk and going up like this. So, after this, what I'm going to do, and then I will make a ear like this. Okay, now it's time to here a little less and like this shape. Okay, so after this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a feet, elephant feet. Okay, just join this line and like this. Now the upper part of the body, and it's very simple, bringing it. Now from here make another leg like this, and then we will draw a line like this. Now the last feet could be like this. Then we'll make the tail of the elephant. Okay, and bring a little shape like this. Now here I'm going to make eyes. So this way our elephant is ready. The next step is to outline the sketch with the black marker. So here what I'm going to do, I will cover all the lines with the help of a black marker. Like this. Okay. Eyes. And the feet like this. Also, you have to make the nails of the elephant. So here 2, 1, 2, 3 like this. So here our outlines are done. Now the next part is to fill color inside the elephant. So for that, what I had done, I had picked a dark gray or a ash gray color. These are crayons. And now if you don't have crayons, you can even make the elephant color with the help of little orange and a twist of blue together, mixing them with water, and then you can even make a elephant color like a ash gray color. So here very slowly you will fill inside the elephant. So very slowly you have to fill colors like this. Once the face is done, then fill in the bottom part, and don't fill the color in the nails. You have to leave it like this only. So this way, very slowly and gently I will cover my whole elephant with the same crayon color. See? So here the body is all done, and now in the feet, like this in the tail. And once you are done with this, what you have to do, you have to pick a toothpick to blend the colors. So here what I'm going to do, so here with the help of a toothpick, I'm going to blend the colors so that the strokes will not be visible. And you can even do like this, putting a very little pressure and covering everywhere, on the edges also and in between. So this way you have to move your hands very slowly, putting less pressure. Our elephant is ready. So here we had finished, and at the end what I'm going to do, I'm going to write here that I love KidsNagri. This way. So here our elephant drawing is all done. So kids, keep creating your own elephant and fill color inside the elephant, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep creating, keep drawing, keep coloring.